Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree, and I thought I would take a look at their puzzles, guys. So I thought I'd take you with me. Let's go see. All right, so they have this Toy Story one. It's a 48-piece puzzle, and then they have this kind right over here, guys. This one here, that's 48 pieces. That's a really nice one. I like that one. Okay, so then they have that Lion King one, and this one, and then they have this Mickey Mouse. That's a 100-piece puzzle right there, Barney, and then I can't reach that one back there. So I just thought I'd take a look at these because I didn't notice how many puzzles they had. Okay, so this one here is a 300-piece mega puzzle. Okay, this is a Disney one, and then they have this 24-piece one with that glove. And let's see, so here's Jonas. So then over here, isn't that pretty? That lollipop is so pretty. So I think all of these are the same, yeah, the lollipop. Then they have the cat, and then they have Mickey Mouse over here. It's a 100-piece, this one. They have the cars back there, and they have a Toy Story one over here. I think we saw that one. So over here is another 100-piece. Okay, here's a 24-piece unicorn. And then they have that kind right there. I'm trying to see what else they have. There's that unicorns, and they're cute. So then, let's see, they have this princess one over here. And then this one over here, guys, says it's a 28 set dominoes. Then look at this one over here, guys. This is cute. Hatchimals tower puzzle. And then they have a Frozen one, guys, right here. Let's see, that one right there. So over here, guys, you have this cat. So all of these are the cat ones. And then they have this Lion King one. And then they have one back there. Look, that one is that dog. This is so cute. Then they have, these are the princesses. And what's that one? And there's a cat. See them? So these look like they'd be so much fun, guys. And they have these boxes. This is a puzzle. Okay. It's a 48-piece princess puzzle. So here's a puzzle of the United States of America. 60-piece. That's really cute. And then they have these. Let's see what kind they have in here. So then they have cars. Let's see. They have Minnie. And then they have Avengers. They have Hatchimals. Those are really cute, guys. And let's see. They have this one. They have My Little Pony. Those are really cute, guys. I never even noticed how many of these puzzles they had. So they have more of the Minnie, more of the princess. Acted out charades. Then over here they have a Spider-Man one, guys. I found a Spider-Man one, 2 Spider-Man ones. And most of these are all Minnie and the princesses. So those are really cute. Let's see what's over here. Okay, so they have the 20-piece puzzle. This is a nice one. These are the cars. And what are these? Those puzzles are really nice. And then they have, what's that? Desktop. Ping pong. Okay, and then they have these funny faces. I just thought I'd show these to you. So create over 250 virtual masks. Okay. Let me see what else they have in the mask. So, yeah, it looks like those are all the same, guys. So we may as well take a look at whatever other toys I see. So this is the first time I've seen a puzzle ball. So this is new here at this Dollar Tree. And oh, look at this. This one is Marvel. And then they have those right here, the superheroes and the puzzles, guys. That's really nice. And then they have these balls right here. But those were always here. So let's see. What is this play pack? This is an activity play pack. And what are these? 25 tattoos. Then they have your Play-Doh and ping pong balls and golf balls. Make your own volcano. Okay. And then here, growing crystals. That's interesting. Okay, and then they have this art kit. And here's that magnetic drawing board with the easel. Reminds me of the Etch-a-Sketch. And let's see what else they have, guys. So they do have the jump ropes, and then they have these finger shooters. You know what? I don't think I remember seeing finger shooters. And then they have the growing crystals that looks like this. The science. It says science. This is really nice, guys. And then they have these cyclone flyers. And here's some kites. So I think they just stocked those up. Down here's the Play-Doh, and then here's some playing cards, and here's some palettes. So here's some emoji art, and here is some soft dough Toy Story, and here's some Frozen, and here's some clay, and here's some cutouts, and here's some Street Leagues basketball, right? Champions, Street Leagues champions. So guys, this is a game. I saw this the last time I was here. It says no apologies. Parker Brothers makes this. So I wonder if this is probably a nice game. I know Parker Brothers is really good. Then they have Grabber Bubble and this flying glider. Here's some just cars. And this says robot. Oh look, this is like a finger fighting robot. And then they have some military stuff. They always have the military stuff. And here's some ninja. And here's some military gear. And I'm loving these characters, guys. Aren't they adorable? Like this kind. That's the police officer. The farmer and police officer, and the pirate in the night. Then they have the... I'm trying to see if I see anything else. The police officer and the sailor. That's that one. They're really cute. So then they have these too. These are nice, the ATVs. So they have all kinds of those guys down here. Then they have this. Isn't that adorable? It has the watch, the knife, the canteen, the compass. And then here you have your animals. I love these guys. Then on the bottom here you have some slime, and then you have some stuffed animals down here. You have some stickers over here, and then you have your Legos. And what is this? Oh, this is the little Connect monkeys. And then you have your educational games right here, and here you have your military men right here. And your magic show game, I think this is new, guys. And the Gozuka, the Brain Buster games, these are really nice. Okay, then you have some of your balls over here. Your grow animals over here. Your cubes over there, your marbles and your dolls. Your Poodoo, look at the Poodoo, guys. Your light up spinners right here, your barf. Wow, try me. Bubble goo, your football, and your doll accessories and things. You have your eggs, what is that, sausage, and your spatula and knife. You have the Ninja Turtles right here, which is really cute. There's Nickelodeon, and there's Justice League. There's Toy Story 4 right there. And here you have Finn Balor. Here's the Muppet Babies, the Minions. Aren't they adorable? And then you have some, look at these bangs. These are so cute. Okay, so you have the frog, you have the car, and the monkey all the way back there. And then in here you have some Elmo figurines. Okay, and here are the playing cards. And what are these? These are really cute. Then you have the toy brushes. Oh, and the these feathers, the boas. Okay, guys. So here's the puzzles. You have some foam puzzles over here for the little ones. And then you have the faux hair. They're so cute. Okay, guys. So thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out their puzzles and whatever was in the toy section, guys. And I'll see you in the next video.